We are here at the state-of-the-art Norton Healthcare Sports and Learning Center in Louisville's West End. And with me are two people that are making a huge impact in Louisville and the state of Kentucky. We have Karen Harbin, who is the president and CEO of Commonwealth Credit Union, and Sadiqa Reynolds, who is the president and CEO of the Louisville Urban League. Now, Karen, I know that being a part of the community is really important to Commonwealth Credit Union, and you two have formed a partnership with the Sports and Learning Center. Can you talk about the partnership?
Yes, quite a partnership. So we are actually so thrilled to be here and to be with Sadiqa and the Sports and Learning Complex. It gives us the opportunity to provide financial literacy classes to staff and people of the West End. And as we all know, the West End is in need of healing. So we are in doing our part to help in those initiatives.
And Sadiqa, what does this partnership mean for you and everyone with the Louisville Urban League?
Well, first of all, I can't thank Karen and the Commonwealth Credit Union team enough for believing in us and coming into this community to partner. You all know how we always talk about wealth building and financial education, and so to be able to partner with Commonwealth Credit Union here at the Sports and Learning Center, not only to offer everything to my staff, because I always want us to have the best opportunity for whatever is new and exciting in the industry, but then also to be able to bring community in for those education classes. And we just created another class today. We're going to do one for college students, so we're really excited about that.
That is so great. And Karen, can you talk a little bit more about why you chose this partnership and why the timing is so important?
So, you know, the past year and a half, 2 years has been really focused on inequities. And at Commonwealth Credit Union, we believe, as all credit unions do, people helping people is our philosophy, and we want to better lives. And this is a perfect way to better lives in the West End and to help with those inequities and give people education, because with education they become wiser and able to make good financial decisions.
Okay, yeah, speaking of that, let's talk a little bit about financial empowerment and the difference between financial education and financial empowerment. Are those the same?
Not exactly. I mean, financial education leads to empowerment, and just like I said, you become empowered to live a better life and seek those things that will help you make better decisions.
That is so fantastic. Okay, now I know you're going to be having financial empowerment classes, is that right? What kind of topics will be covered in that?
Well, we'll definitely do credit counseling, so we want to make sure that credit repair is happening and that make sure that people are saving money. I just talked about the college classes. We've got to make sure our college students know we don't want you to go out and get that credit card and ruin your credit while you're in college. So we'll be doing things like that. We do a lot of home ownership classes because we do believe that that is a pathway to wealth building. And we also understand, and I know that Commonwealth Credit Union understands, that the overlap between poor educational outcomes and poverty. So what we really are working to do, why we really established this partnership, was to help bring people out of poverty, help people who have really not had the best options have better options, and even to make better choices with those options. So I think this partnership is the beginning of a long-term relationship that really helps to improve outcomes in this community.
That is so fantastic. Okay, and Karen, what does it mean to you and everyone at Commonwealth Credit Union to be able to offer this? I mean, because really education, that is the empowerment to know more about financial stuff.
Right. We have started an entirely new department that deals just with financial education. So not only are we here at the Sports and Learning Complex, but we're in high schools, we're all over the state providing this financial education, because as Sadiqa said, it is so important to a lifetime of wellness and financial well-being.
And Karen, if we want to learn more about everything that we've talked about, where's the best place to go?
So you can come into our Market Street branch here in Louisville. You can also go online to ccuky.org under Learning. It's a portal, all the financial empowerment information, education, classes that's available.
And it is good. I got to tell you, we've used it at the League. It is a wonderful tool. I strongly suggest folks go to that website and check it out.
And Sadiqa, if we want to learn more about the Louisville Urban League, where can we go?
LUL.org.
Fantastic. Thank you both so much.
Thank you.
From Norton Healthcare Sports and Learning Center, I'm Joanne Dixon.